Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Practice English Hub. Today, we're going to practice English together through real-life office conversations and shadowing practice. In this video, you will learn useful English expressions commonly used by office workers in daily workplace situations, including office communication, teamwork, meetings, project discussions, problem solving, professional development, and workplace motivation. This lesson is perfect for beginner and intermediate English learners who want to improve workplace English naturally, build confidence in office conversations, practice listening and pronunciation, learn useful professional vocabulary and expressions, communicate more effectively with coworkers and managers. As always, listen carefully to each sentence first. Then repeat immediately after the speaker and copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation naturally. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every sentence you practice helps you become a more confident English speaker. The goal is not perfection. The goal is steady improvement through daily practice. So put on your headphones, relax, and let's start today's English shadowing practice for office workers. Part 1. Starting the workday. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I arrived at the office early today. I arrived at the office early today. Let's have a productive day. Let's have a productive day. I need to check my schedule first. I need to check my schedule first. I have several tasks to complete today. I have several tasks to complete today. My inbox is already full. My inbox is already full. I'll start with the most important task. I'll start with the most important task. The office feels busy this morning. The office feels busy this morning. I'm ready to get started. I'm ready to get started. Let's make today a successful day. Let's make today a successful day. Part 2. Daily office communication. Could you send me that file? Could you send me that file? I'll reply to the email shortly. I'll reply to the email shortly. Thank you for your quick response. Thank you for your quick response. Let's discuss this later. Let's discuss this later. I'll update you this afternoon. I'll update you this afternoon. Please let me know if you need help. Please let me know if you need help. I'll check the details again. I'll check the details again. Thanks for keeping me informed. Thanks for keeping me informed. Everything is progressing well. Everything is progressing well. Communication is very important. Communication is very important. Part 3. Working with coworkers. It's great working with you. It's great working with you. Let's solve this together. Let's solve this together. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your support. Teamwork makes work easier. Teamwork makes work easier. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me. We achieved good results together. We achieved good results together. Everyone contributed to the project. Everyone contributed to the project. Collaboration improves productivity. Collaboration improves productivity. We have a strong team. We have a strong team. Let's continue working together. Let's continue working together. Part 4. Meetings and discussions. Let's begin today's meeting. Let's begin today's meeting. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us. I'd like to share an update. I'd like to share an update. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? That's a great suggestion. That's a great suggestion. I completely agree with your point. I completely agree with your point. Let's focus on the main objective. Let's focus on the main objective. The discussion has been productive. The discussion has been productive. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your feedback. Let's move on to the next topic. Let's move on to the next topic. Part 5. Projects and deadlines. The project is progressing smoothly. The project is progressing smoothly. We need to meet the deadline. We need to meet the deadline. I'll finish this task today. I'll finish this task today. Let's review the final version. Let's review the final version. We still have some work to do. We still have some work to do. The deadline is approaching quickly. The deadline is approaching quickly. I'll prioritize this assignment. I'll prioritize this assignment. The results look promising. The results look promising. We're making steady progress. We're making steady progress. Let's stay focused on our goals. Let's stay focused on our goals. Part 6. Solving problems. We need to find a solution. We need to find a solution. Let's analyze the situation carefully. Let's analyze the situation carefully. Every challenge has an answer. Every challenge has an answer. We should discuss possible options. We should discuss possible options. Let's stay calm and professional. Let's stay calm and professional. I believe we can solve this. I believe we can solve this. Mistakes help us improve. Mistakes help us improve. Communication helps prevent problems. Communication helps prevent problems. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. Let's move forward positively. Let's move forward positively. Part 7. Lunch break conversations. Are you free for lunch? Are you free for lunch? Let's grab something to eat. Let's grab something to eat. The cafeteria looks busy today. The cafeteria looks busy today. How has your day been so far? How has your day been so far? I needed this short break. I needed this short break. The food tastes great. The food tastes great. It's nice to relax for a while. It's nice to relax for a while. We should do this more often. We should do this more often. The afternoon will be busy. The afternoon will be busy. Time to get back to work. Time to get back to work. Part 8. Professional development. I'm always learning new skills. I'm always learning new skills. Professional growth takes time. Professional growth takes time. Every experience teaches something valuable. Every experience teaches something valuable. I enjoy learning at work. I enjoy learning at work. Training helps improve performance. Training helps improve performance. Knowledge creates opportunities. Knowledge creates opportunities. I want to continue developing my skills. I want to continue developing my skills. Learning is a lifelong process. Learning is a lifelong process. Every day is a chance to improve. Every day is a chance to improve. I'm becoming more confident. I'm becoming more confident. Part 9. Workplace motivation. A positive attitude makes a difference. A positive attitude makes a difference. Small progress matters every day. Small progress matters every day. Success comes from consistency. Success comes from consistency. Hard work produces results. Hard work produces results. Confidence grows through practice. Confidence grows through practice. Challenges help us grow. Challenges help us grow. Stay focused on your goals. Stay focused on your goals. Believe in your abilities. Believe in your abilities. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. Your efforts will pay off. Your efforts will pay off. Part 10. Ending the workday. Today was a productive day. Today was a productive day. I completed most of my tasks. I completed most of my tasks. Thank you for your support today. Thank you for your support today. Let's continue tomorrow. Let's continue tomorrow. I'll finish the rest later. I'll finish the rest later. It's time to head home. It's time to head home. Have a relaxing evening. Have a relaxing evening. See you tomorrow morning. See you tomorrow morning. Great work today, everyone. Great work today, everyone. Time to rest and recharge. Time to rest and recharge. Excellent work today. You practiced useful workplace English expressions and improved your speaking, listening, and pronunciation step by step. Remember, strong communication skills are one of the most valuable tools for success in the workplace. Every sentence you repeat helps you become more confident during meetings, team discussions, presentations, project updates, and everyday office conversations. Keep listening, keep shadowing, keep practicing every day. Small improvements add up over time and can make a big difference in your fluency and confidence. Thank you so much for learning with Practice English Hub today. I hope this lesson helped you feel more comfortable, more motivated, and more confident using English at work. Have a productive day, a relaxing evening, or a successful week ahead. I'll see you in the next English shadowing practice. Bye for now, and keep practicing English every day.